In this video, we are going to see how we can download any images that you have in Google Docs. So let's say we have a brochure here. I'll just open this up and let's say that this is the image I want to download. All you have to do is just right click on this and you will not get the download option directly. What you will get is view more options. From here, we will click on save to keep first. It will load the Google Keep and attach the image after waiting for some time. Once it is done, what you can do is just hover over that picture. You will get these three dots. Click on open in Keep or open in web. It will open up in the large scale. After that, you just right click on save image as, and let's write and give it name of docs image. Head over to downloads just to test this. And this is how you can download the image that you have on the Google Docs. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.